So in this video, I'm going to have a look at the Copilot Analyst agent, which is available to you through the Microsoft agents it comes with. So I'm going to have a look at what it can do. So here's the Analyst agent. I am now going to give it the download that I got from Shield data. And here we go. I'm going to put that data in. And say, please help me make sense of this data. Let's see what it says. Okay, so that's the first thing. You can see on the screen here that it's going to go through, use Python scripts and so forth to kind of analyze and give me a summary of what this data says. You can see it's working everything out as it goes, and it will try and tell you what's contained in this data, which is pretty cool. So here we go. It's told me about the data structure, the highlights. It says engagement metrics like impressions, blah blah. So I can now say, and I still hopefully got the. Let me just. No, I do not. Let me just get the data from previously, or the prompt from what I did earlier within Copilot. So it's this one here. And I take that, copy it. Let's see if I can run that here. Okay, let's see whether this will work. Unfortunately, I've just remembered that column Q does not exist in the CSV file because I haven't created it. So it's probably going to come up and say that data does not exist. But let's see whether it's smart enough to figure out on its own. Right, so it has found out that they created that. And there we go. So it's figured it out. Although I made a mistake, it's deciphered the data. And look, it's categorized some of the data here. Okay. Dataset includes a new column called time category, which classifies. So it's actually put this in for me now. Based on this, can you tell me what type of posts did the best and at what times and what time categories and on which week, which days of the week? I am trying to see what the best posting times are for my audience. Okay, let's see what it'll come back with. Now, obviously, this video is now 3 minutes in. The previous video took me about 15 minutes because I was going through Excel and how that all works. Let's see whether this works any faster. Clearly, at the moment, it has gotten to a stage where it has done things faster than previously. Look, it's come up with some errors. Let's see whether it rectifies that, and usually it does. I mean, I have used the Analyst agent to do a few other forms of analysis on bigger data sets, and here we go. So it's top performing posts by types. Clearly we knew that images were going to be the best engagement rates, and now it's saying best time to post, best time categories to post. Here are the best times. So morning work times are the best days of the week are Wednesdays. I could now say, can you please combine the days of the week, and this is probably because I didn't explicitly tell it that I wanted to get this as a result in the form of a day of the week, time slot, and engagement rate. So please, can you combine this to say day of the week, time category, and engagement rate? Right. Let's see what happens. I may not have actually written this prompt the best I could. So let's figure out what happens as we go along. So it is telling me here that avoid posting during early morning 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. and evening commute between 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Aim for Wednesday mornings between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. Post images for the highest impact. So it did give me previously some valuable insights saying that Wednesdays are the best, but do aim for mornings on a Wednesday between 9 and 12. So let's see what it's come up with now after I've asked it to kind of put everything together. It looks like it's still going. Oh, here we go. So here's the combined view of the top 20 data combinations ranked average. Okay, here we go. So Saturday evening commute times have the best engagement rate there. Saturday work times follows by that. Sunday evenings, Monday evenings, and so on. So these are the categories inside. Saturday is a strong performer, especially during the evening commute and afternoon work times. Sunday evenings also have high engagement, and midweek mornings, especially Wednesday morning, are considered effective. Evenings across multiple days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday tend to perform well. Would you like a visual heat map? Okay, let's have a look at that and what it can generate. I'm excited because I've not actually seen this before. So let's see how this works. So it is now doing some analysis for me. It's telling me what it's actually doing. It's using Python to come up with all of this stuff. So let's see what this visual heat map looks like. Okay, here we go. All right, let's have a look at what this heat map looks like. And there you go. Fantastic, isn't it? I mean, that was all done within 7 minutes. Now, if I was to, faff about with this using Excel, it would have taken me ages. And you saw that we've gotten to this level much faster than we did when we were using Excel to kind of query stuff. But again, the Excel was cool. It told me about the queries. It told me how to structure the formulas and stuff. But for the ease of mind, I mean, come on, this is great stuff. So if you've got any questions or concerns or anything you want me to try out in my next video, just drop a comment below and we'll test it out. I mean, there's a lot more agents to try out. Like there's the visual creator, there's the prompt coach, and there's a few others that I've done myself. So again, happy to try some of these things out. Do let me know in the comments, and yeah, until then, see you next time.